This is Freecom 2, the world's best-selling rider-to-passenger communicator. And this video is about how to make the most out of it. Meet Freecom 2. It's a Bluetooth communicator that is IP67 waterproof. It's also very slick, only 16 millimeters top to bottom, which makes it one of the most streamlined communicators of its kind. In the next few minutes, we're going to cover the next 4 topics. Unboxing your Freecom 2, how to operate your Freecom 2, installing your Freecom 2 on your helmet, and finally, frequently asked questions and next steps. Let's go. Freecom 2 comes neatly packed inside a compact box that includes either one piece or a dual set. Let's open it and see what's inside. Remove the sleeve to open your Freecom communicator box. Inside it, you'll find 3 compartments, the middle one containing your communicator and audio kit. A dual set will have 2 of these side by side. Remove the audio kit and then remove the compartment to reveal the documentation envelope underneath it. Inside the documentation envelope, you'll find a pocket guide, warranty and safety instructions, and installation instructions. The left side compartment contains most of the accessories you'll need to install and assemble your Freecom 2 on your helmet. A hybrid boom microphone for open-faced helmets, a wired microphone for closed-faced helmets, a pair of 2 spacers to adjust your speakers on your helmet, the speakers, 40mm high-definition speakers for high-quality music, and a set of Velcros, 4, 2 squares and 2 rectangulars. Let's move to the right side. In it, you'll find a USB cable to charge your unit, a thick sponge for your boom microphone, a replacement sponge for your wide microphone, a pair of 2 alcohol pads for cleaning, and a glue plate. We'll explain how to use it later on. That's it. Let's move on. Now that we've finished unboxing, let's see how to operate this communicator. Freecom 2 is equipped with 4 easily accessible buttons. This button is for volume down, volume up, intercom, and media and phone. Turn on your Freecom 2 by pressing these 2 buttons together.
Hello, Freecom 2.
This is your volume down. This is your volume up. And this is mute. To unmute your Freecom, just press the plus and minus button again. To turn off, press these 2 buttons again, and your Freecom will shut down.
Goodbye.
Freecom 2 can pair to up to 2 mobile devices, such as a phone or a GPS. Let's go ahead and pair it. Press the mobile button for 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Now, in pairing mode, go to your phone, go to your Bluetooth, search for Freecom, and press it.
Paired successfully.
That's it. You're paired. After we paired the first device, let's see how to pair a second device, such as another phone or GPS. To connect your Freecom 2 to a second mobile phone, begin with pressing the phone button again for 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
To move into second phone pairing, double press that button again.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
Go to your mobile phone and press Bluetooth. Now look for Freecom 2 on your phone. Press that.
Paired successfully.
And you're done. Finally, let's pair a GPS to your Freecom 2. To begin with, let's access the pairing mode by pressing the media button for 5 seconds.
Mobile phone 1. Pairing.
Let's go ahead and tap this button twice.
Mobile phone 2. Pairing.
The next one is quite important. Tap the plus button before proceeding.
GPS. Pairing.
On your GPS device, press search, go for Freecom 2,
Paired successfully.
And you're paired. Now that we got that part covered, let's rock and roll. To stream music, start with pressing the media button once.
What's the time? Seems it's already morning.
Move to the next song by pressing the media button again. And again. To go back, double tap the media button.
What's the time? Seems it's already morning.
To stop music, press the media button for 2 seconds until you hear the beep. Your Freecom 2 has FM radio built in. Let's see how to operate it. To listen to FM radio, double tap the media button.
97.7.
To move to the next preset station, press the media button.
97.8.
To go back to the previous preset station, double tap the media button.
97.7.
To perform an auto scan, press these buttons together.
104.
To stop a scan, press the media button. To save 104, press that media button again.
104. Saved.
To stop radio, press the media button for 2 seconds. You can also set your preferred preset stations using the Cardo app or the Cardo community. Freecom 2 also comes with a full phone support. Let's see how to make calls, receive calls, and control your phone features. Just tap the phone. To end the call, tap it again. There's another way of answering calls, one that uses your voice. Just yell to the microphone, "Hello!" and you're on. You can also use Siri or Google Assistant. Press the intercom and phone buttons together and wait for the beep. Call home.
Calling home.
Another way of making a call is using the redial function. Press the plus button for 2 seconds or until you hear the second beep. A third way of making calls is through speed dial that you first have to set on your Cardo mobile app. Once set, tap the phone button 3 times to activate your speed dial. Now that we covered the basics, let's pair a passenger. Press the intercom button for 5 seconds for the pairing initiation to begin.
Rider A. Pairing.
Depending on several factors, this process could take up to 120 seconds.
Paired successfully.
Starting a conversation with your passenger is easy. To start an intercom conversation, simply press the intercom button quickly. And both of you can start talking. To end the conversation, just press that button again. When you're done talking, you can share some music or radio. Let's see how. Play music. And then press the minus button for 2 seconds to share.
Sharing mode activated.
For more information, just open your pocket guide and look inside. Now that we've finished learning basic Freecom operations, let's install it on your preferred helmet. This tutorial will cover both closed-faced, open-faced, and half helmets. We'll kick off with an open-faced helmet. For more information, you can always refer to your installation guide that came in the Freecom box. Our first step would be to remove the inner cheek pads to reveal the ear cavities inside. Once you located the inner ear cavities, take the alcohol pad and clean each ear cavity. Grab a square Velcro and attach it to the base of the ear cavity. Repeat the process for the other cavity. Now we've finished preparing the ear cavities, let's go ahead and install the speakers. Note that your speakers have a short left side and a long right side. We will take care of the left side first. Attach the speaker to the Velcro with the cord facing the neck pad. To ensure optimal radio reception, please follow the next step. Remove the head padding and run the long speaker cord through the top of your inner helmet all the way to the other side. Attach the right speaker in its place and return the padding. The long cord will now act also as your FM antenna. If your ear cavities are just too deep, use one of these spacers to make sure the speakers are correctly placed. Simply attach the spacer to the Velcro and place the speaker on top of it. Now let's install the microphone. Open the second alcohol pad and thoroughly clean the left side helmet cheek. Grab a rectangular Velcro and glue it to the base of the cheek. Grab the second rectangular Velcro and place it about 5 centimeters or 2 inches away towards the cheek opening. For open-faced and modular helmets, use the supplied hybrid boom mic. Note the base, the middle clap-on, and the yellow triangle near the boom. Watch this yellow triangle. It should face your mouth. Attach the base of the mic to the first Velcro and adjust the clap to fit the second Velcro. Finally, adjust the boom to meet your mouth with the yellow triangle facing you. Installing a microphone on a close-faced helmet is a little different. Use an alcohol pad to clean the chin area. Take the corded mic unit, detach it from the Velcro, and glue the Velcro to the chin area. Attach the corded mic and run the cord along the left side rim of your helmet. Now is the time to attach the audio cradle. This is the Freecom standard audio kit. Behind it, you'll find a flexible clip that should go between the helmet shell and the inner lining. Squeeze the audio cradle firmly into its place with the clip pushing on the helmet's inner shell. Some helmets have a thick rim, which is unsuitable for a clamp-based solution. Fortunately, the audio cradle can also be installed using a specially designed glue plate that came inside the box. Clean the designated area with an alcohol pad. Remove the sealing cover from the glue plate and attach it firmly into the lower left side of the helmet. Allow 24 hours for the glue to solidify. Now that was fast. Your Freecom audio kit has 2 release tabs. Press them to remove the clamp and replace it with a glue plate. Be sure to hear those clicks. Now let's connect all the wires. Okay, now that we got that covered, let's reinstall all the paddings to their original location. Congratulations! We've finished installing the audio kit on your helmet. Now for the very final step, putting the Freecom into the cradle. Alright, that was just a bit too fast, wasn't it? Let's repeat the process slower. Your Freecom cradle has 2 sides, a connector side and a release tab. Insert the connector side first and then press firmly on this side until you hear a click. That click you heard is important. If you don't hear the click, your Freecom is not well connected and could fly off. To release your Freecom, pull on the release tab and your Freecom is off. Installing Freecom on your half helmet is easy. Just make sure to have one of these half helmet kits first before continuing. The integrated boom microphone kit is available at any dealership. Depending on your half helmet, use either the clip-based or the glue-based solution. Attach the cradle and adjust the long boom to its correct position. Don't forget to place the yellow triangle directly opposite your mouth. Now, slide the speakers into their correct location. Don't forget to run the long cord through the top inner side of the helmet. Push the right speaker into its designated place. And there you go. Alright, we're pretty much done. Just please keep in mind that every helmet is different and may require some adjustments to the process you just saw. When in doubt, contact your local dealer for additional help. After completing installing your Freecom 2 on your helmet, make sure to follow the next important step. Connect your Freecom 2 via supplied cable to your computer and go to the Cardo community. Go to cardosystems.com, go to support and click on the Cardo community link. Click on the enter link and sign yourself in. If this is your first time in the community, you'll have to register yourself first. Fill in your details and a valid email. We will send you a verification email to that address to complete your registration. Complete the optional personal detail page, fill in the CAPTCHA at the bottom and click on Submit. If this is your first time in the community homepage, you may be required to download and install the Cardo Updater app. Just click on the clearly visible icon on the top left of the screen and press on all the usual installation approval buttons. Did you remember to confirm your registration via the email we sent you? Give a few seconds for the community to recognize, sync, and analyze your unit. Good news! There's a new firmware update available for your unit. Download and install it to upgrade your unit performance and feature set. This whole process can take between 5 to 10 minutes, but with the miracles of digital video editing, we managed to squeeze it just slightly. Now, take the time to complete your personal profile and check the multiple settings options available for your unit. Use the designated place to fill in the device name, speed dial, preferred language, and radio stations. Sync your device to accept changes and import them to your device. That's it, you're done. Well, almost done actually. One last step remains. Download and install the Cardo app. For iOS machines, download the Freecom SmartSet application from the App Store or the Cardo SmartSet app in Android. Your Freecom is equipped with universal connectivity, which means it can connect to any one of these brands. Let's see how. To enter universal connectivity, start with pressing the intercom button for 5 seconds. Then, press the phone button.
Cardo Gateway. Pairing.
On whichever non-Cardo device you use, start mobile phone pairing. This way you can pair a Sina,
Paired successfully.
or an interphone,
Paired successfully.
or a Uclear,
Paired successfully.
or any other brand you choose to use. You're talking over the phone or with your buddy through the intercom and they tell you they can't hear you very well. Something is wrong. Let's fix it. Look at the yellow triangle. Does it face your mouth? If it looks like this, well, you gotta change it to be facing your mouth like this. You're riding down the road and the sound experience is not exactly what you've expected. Well, there's a solution for that. Let's see how. All Freecoms come equipped with high-quality, high-definition 40mm speakers, but to get the most out of them, they have to be placed correctly, like this. Every person is different, and your helmet's designated speaker cavity may not match the location of your ear. Put the speakers in your helmet, put your helmet on top of your head, and try to slide a finger inside and see if the speaker's location and your ear location match. If they do not, you may have to place the speakers outside of the speaker cavity to ensure best sound quality. Sometimes you just need a reset, and so is your unit. Luckily, we have 2 types of reset. Let's explore them. To reset the pairing of your mobile devices, start with pressing the phone as if you are pairing another mobile device. Then, press these 2 opposite buttons until the device flashes purple. For a full factory reset, press these 3 buttons for 5 seconds. Your unit will flash purple. The unit will turn off. Don't forget to turn it on again. That's it, we're pretty much done here. For further questions and queries, be sure to write us at support@cardosystems.com and follow our videos. Until then, enjoy your ride and be safe.